A dog deserves to see the world just as much as you do. To make sure your pup can travel safely and comfortably, you'll want to have a high-quality dog carrier. With tons of options on the market, it's definitely difficult to choose. There's not a single best option. It will depend on the type of travel you'll be doing and the type of carrier that will work best for you and your dog. There are many products available to choose from Best Dog Carrier, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did dynamic research, read tons of reviews of customer, and compiled a list of the best dog carrier from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Amazon Basics Top Load Hard-Sided Pet Travel Carrier. As the best hard-sided dog carrier, the Amazon Basics 2-door top-load hard-sided pet travel carrier combines durability and convenience. The crate has ventilation on the top, sides, and back, and the 2 doors let you load your dog through the top or side. It's made with durable plastic, and the front door is made of steel wire. For added reinforcement on the top and bottom, there are additional screws included. The carrier weighs about 4.5 pounds, and you can choose between a 19x12x10 carrier and a 23x15x13 carrier. For hard-sided crate lovers, the Amazon Basics Top-Load Hard-Sided Pet Travel Carrier is one of the best carriers for dogs. Number 2. Amazon Basics Soft-Sided Mesh Pet Travel Carrier. This small dog carrier is one of the greatest soft-sided carriers you'll find. The Amazon Basics Soft-Sided Mesh Pet Travel Carrier has an adjustable shoulder strap for you and a luggage and seat belt strap so you can transport your dog safely. The fleece pad is removable and machine washable. There's mesh ventilation on all sides, and you can load your dog through the top or on the side. The spring wire frame allows the carrier to fit under some airline seats. Just check the dimensions in advance. The small size measures 13.8 x 8.7 x 8.7 and is for pets up to 8 pounds. The medium size measures 16.5 x 9.4 x 9.8 and has a recommended weight limit of 16 pounds. The large carrier has a max load of 22 pounds and measures 19.7 x 10.2 x 11.2. For a high-quality soft-sided carrier, you can't beat the Amazon Basics Soft-Sided Mesh Pet Travel Carrier. Number 3. Udodo Pet Dog Sling Carrier. The Udodo Pet Dog Sling Carrier is made of mesh and leather and is breathable, soft, and durable. It has a zipper and buckle which is reinforced for added security. The adjustable strap measures 38.6-46.5 to comfortably adjust to your body. The smaller carrier has a max recommended weight of 5 pounds and measures 15x3.9x7.8. The larger carrier is 17x5x11 and has a max recommended weight of 10 pounds. There's a leash in the carrier to make sure your dog doesn't get out, and the sling allows your pet to look around while you're on the go. The Udodo Pet Dog Sling Carrier is one of the best travel carriers for dogs if you want to go hands-free. Number 4. Pet Omni Deluxe Pet Carrier Backpack. If you want to leave your day pack at home so you can travel, hike, or walk with your furry best friend on your back, then consider the Pet Omni Deluxe Pet Carrier Backpack. The best backpack carrier for dogs, it weighs 3.6 pounds, measures 12.5 x 10.2 x 16.3, and has a weight capacity of 18 pounds. It has a well-ventilated design to maximize airflow and a 2-way entry. For your comfort, the backpack has waist and chest straps and 3 pockets for things like your phone and water bottle. For your dog, there are 3 safety buckles and the safety strap to prevent them from escaping, and the Sherpa line bedding will keep them comfortable. Made with durable 600D polyester, the Pet Omni Deluxe Pet Carrier Backpack is among the best travel bags for dogs. Number 5. Kurgo Dog Carrier Backpack. This dog carrier for travel is perfect for those who love hiking. The Kurgo Dog Carrier Backpack is made for pets up to 25 pounds and measures 13x21x10. It's lightweight yet durable, and comes with plenty of zippered pockets for extra storage. It can be used as a backpack while you're hiking or a standard carrier for other trips. The bottom is waterproof. It has a roll-up mesh window, as well as a laptop sleeve. For added comfort and convenience when hiking, there's a hip belt and sternum strap, a ventilated back panel, and 2 water bottle sleeves. If you want to explore the outdoors, leave your hiking backpack at home, and bring along the Kurgo Dog Carrier Backpack. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.